I am Nada. I work in the field of interior architecture and furniture design. A product story is narrated through the different materialities that have been used, the textures, the emotions that it evokes, the different manufacturing techniques that were implemented to create this product. My product is called Hisn chair. It bridges between human craftsmanship and computer-aided design. I realized the thing that really grabbed my attention and inspired me the most was historic and old buildings, the traditional Emirati houses, the vernacular architecture around us. They all narrate stories of different people that at some point throughout history occupied them, shared moments, had happiness, sadness. Whenever I offered my product for the manufacturer to do, they would think that it's impossible to get out of the computer screen into real life. It was really bad, to be honest. At some point, I was about to just give up. The copper structure that is holding the tiles in place reminds us of the contemporary context that the piece is situated in. Through the modularity of the clay tiles, I'm allowing the humans to not only see the history of the piece, but also to touch it and feel it and play with it, interact with it, move these tiles around them to their own convenience. I see myself in the texture that I was able to create throughout the terracotta tiles, also all the joints and the details that I used to incorporate these tiles within the metal structure. So all of these tectonics and small parts that come together to form a surface and the texture and the interaction with the human. Tanween supports us financially and let us really get involved in the manufacturing process and understand how to get our designs that are 3D renders into the real world, onto the ground. I find Tanween to be one of the most prominent programs in the UAE and the GCC countries that enable designers to really reveal themselves in the Middle East. Salim from Tashkil was really supportive. He was always there for us, supporting, believing in us before even us believing in ourselves. So that was really something that pushed me to come up with this holistic product.